Hi friends, this is Shraddha from Early Learners and Right Brainers. Welcome back to your channel and don't forget to subscribe. Today's topic is how can you be a RBE mom? Okay, so what are the few things that are very important when we start right brain activities with our child? The first thing is we ourselves should believe in ourselves. That is the first thing. Second thing, we should expect less from the child. Third thing, we should believe in imagination. Fourth thing, we should believe in magic. Fifth thing, you have to be grateful. So, these are the 5 things that are extremely important when you start your journey as a right brain mom. When you start your right brain journey, there are so many doubts you have. But if you practice a little bit of gratitude, self belief, confidence in yourself, I think right brain education would be some of the easiest thing to do with your child. Just 10 minutes a day, that is what we require for right brain education. Right brain education is not just right brain, but it is actual whole development. But when we as mothers, parents, if we keep on doubting ourselves, whether this is working, whether this is not working, then it is really going to get difficult. So I am going to give you a simple tip when you start right brain activities, what you should do as a parent. So when you get up, first thing, you have to be grateful to the life that you have. Second, you have to be grateful to your child. Then in the afternoon, just think what are the 10 things that you're grateful for. Just write them down if possible, or just say it in your mind and say thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I am the believer of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, and I have been following magic and the secret book since last 12 years, and gratitude is something that comes by habit and practice. When you do gratitude exercises yourself, you yourself start becoming a right brain child. Yes, you yourself start becoming a right brain child. When you yourself are a right brain child, educating your child about right brain is just natural. So these are the 2 things that I'm telling. First, when you get up, just say thank you. Then when you in the afternoon, when you have some time, just jot down 10 things that you're grateful for. Then in the evening, just think about all the beautiful things that your own body is able to do, like writing, reading, doing cooking, walking, everything, and just be grateful to each body part. Now the evening has completed, so in the night when you are going to sleep, just think about how beautiful the day was. However busy you are, however difficult task you did today, you have to think that okay, I was able to do it, I'm grateful. Instead of being cribbing like, oh god, I have to do so much, just be grateful that oh god, I could do so much. Thank you, it is what is important. So just keep on saying thank you to yourself. Just try to rewire your brain into a positive attitude by being grateful. There are many exercises that gratitude can be done. If you are interested, let me know in the comments so that I can provide you more tips and tricks like how you can be grateful. So when you want to become a right brain educator, or when you want to become a RB mom, the first thing is to be grateful. And already I have told you other 5 things. So guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.